what you are going to look is the lead to quote and quote to cash process. So what we do is we enter the user credential, which is the username and the password. So after you enter the username and the password, the first thing is we are going to enter a lead. So let's go for list accounting, list relationship. Then I will find the leads. So let me create a lead. So I enter a sample company name, so which is Tech1 Global. So I just enter it. Right, then I can maintain my lead status if needed. So I can enter web address. Let's say it's www.tech1global.com, sorry, and you can have your different categories if needed. Right, so I have said electronic parts and equipment. Then you can enter an example of a phone number. Then you can have a primary contact over here. So let me just put a random value, James Anderson, and the title, job title would be the CFO, and the subsidiary, I'll select the particular organization. So it's Northwood Private Limited, sorry, in this case I think it's Jolanka Group. Then I can change the subsidiary over here as well. So once I changed it, I can save this. So this is the sample, but if you want more details to be added, yes, you have many fields to add. Right, so the lead has been saved, it has been confirmed. Right, then the next step would be, and I will show some further information on these things. I can do a nurturing process as well. So this is what I'm going to do. So what I do is I go for the communication. So in the communication, I have an option called activities. So I can have my internal activities. What I'm going to do over here is to reset a call, assign a call. Let's say call James Anderson, who has a primary contact, to make an appointment. Right, so I'm just scheduling a date and a time as well. So I just select the date, which is 19th of December, and I'm just reserving a time, 1 hour's time. Reminder tab is a browser, so I have given a 1 hour's time as well. Right, then I can change the schedule as the status if I needed. Right, so it has been saved. Right, so the lead will be now saved furthermore. So what you can do is you save a lead and you can nurture. So what I showed you, the nurturing process. I come from my communication, you can see in the activities it has been captured. Call James to make an appointment. Right, so what I can do is from this lead I can go for the further thing, and I can create this lead or convert this lead to an opportunity. We know normally opportunity is used for an internal process, internal purpose. Right, so I expected a closing date. I just give a 3 months time ahead, which is the 20th of February 2019. You can see the item or the product. So I select a sample product what I have created, so which is the TV is my sample product. So let me do another search. Yeah, so this is the product I have created, TV 32 inch. That could be my sample product. So you can see the on hand quantity is 990. So this is the quantity I'm going to give it to the customer. I'm assuming 10. So the amount I'm entering a sample amount over here is 45,000. So the base currency is LKR. Then after that, what I do is I can save this. So the opportunity will be saved. Right, so you can see the opportunity will be giving me a status called in progress. I'm in the progress level, so I can have different things. Let's say we have won this opportunity, so I am changing it to won, and you can see now my opportunity has been recognized as closed won. So let's go for the next step, which is to raise a sales quotation. So I'm converting this opportunity to a quotation. So the quotation is captured. You can see automatically the data have been captured over here. Now assuming the price is not 45,000, it's 50,000, so I'm editing the price. Yeah, then once I edit, let's go up, and I'm saving this quotation now. Yeah, let's save this. So I'm clicking on save. It is saved. Right, now you can see the Tech One Global, the quotation number is this. I'm saving, it's in the processing level. So let me take out a printout. So that's what I'm showing you, the printout over here. So it's bit loading, and I have created a sample template. So just we'll take that sample template. So this is the template we have created. You can see the value and the prices have been captured. Right, so let's convert this sales quotation to a sales order, assuming the customer has agreed the pricing. So the sales order has been generated over here, you can see. So let me select my main location as the main warehouse, where I'll be doing the main primary GRN over here. So you can see, again I will select main warehouse over here from the grid level. Right, so it has been captured. Now what I do is, right, so let's save this sales order. So the sales order has been saved. Right, so it shows as pending for fulfillment. So the next would be to fulfill the sales order. Let's fulfill the sales order. Right, so you can see now the next step is to item shipment. So I'm assuming all these products have been GRN. Now let us capture the serial number, which I give a serial number. So I'm giving a lot number in this case, 10. Okay, I'm adding that. Right, so it has been captured. So let's save this item shipment. Right, the shipment is done. So it's under the Tech One Global, which is shipped. So let's build this, which is the next step, is to create the invoice. So now the invoice will be created. So you can see the value is 57,500. So that's my final value, I assume. There's no price deduction. So the invoice also has been raised in the system. So if I want, I can go for authorized return or accept payments or go for other levels. So what I do is, before creating, let's go for the accept of payment. So I'm accepting the payment or the invoice. Right, so it has been captured. You can see the value is 57,500. So let's assume the payment method is check. You enter a sample check number, so which is the check number, and if you want you can add the credit card. So I'm assuming I'm paying through the check. Right, yeah, so let's save this. So the payment also has been done. So we have now done 3 steps: quotation to lead to quote to cash. All these things have been captured. So that's the end of this video recording. Thank you.